We've got about 2.5 minutes left of trade. Let's have a look at the Dow first of all. Currently up about 140 points. That gives us about 40 points of leeway to work with, and we still will finish at a record all-time close for the Dow. As you can see, intraday, it has lost a little bit of steam in the afternoon, but it's been positive for most of the day. All four of the indices for you now to have a look at. The Dow, very much the outperformer, up about 0.5%. The S&P is roughly flat. And you've got the Nasdaq declining about 0.5%. Another bad day for the Russell, which is down a full 1%. Sectors for you today, very quickly. Consumer discretionary, the only big laggard. A few other sectors are lower, but not more than 1%, like consumer discretionary. Utilities up at the top, and consumer staples doing pretty well as well. And as I bring in Bob Pisani, welcome back, Bob. Great to see you. We've got a few other sort of asset classes to look at as well. We've got a bit of strength in the dollar to talk of. WTI pausing a little bit, but there are some international markets. Hong Kong down, Italy down. It recovered off its lows, Italy, but the US outperforming.
Japan's on fire recently too. I would note that. It was a strange day. We had a nice buy program earlier on, and it was those industrials. Boeing new high. Caterpillar, 3M, United Technologies were all strong. Those are trade-related names. Intel also had a very good day, so those were all moving to the upside. Funny thing is, we sort of drooped in the middle of the day for no particular reason. We just sort of lost some steam. The retailers were a mess. Home Depot, a big laggard for the Dow overall. We had Amazon raising the prices to $15, their minimum wage. We saw a lot of stocks down 5, 6, 7%. JCPenney, look at these numbers here. Chico's, Gap, all down 4, 5, 6, 7% overall. And the most disturbing thing of all to me was we are hitting new highs in the markets with no participation from the financials at all. Morgan Stanley, a 52-week low today, and most of the regional banks are all negative on the year.
We're coming into earnings season, of course, for the banks. Also, they are down a little bit off the back of those Italy concerns. Don't get much contagion from that, but if Europe's banks are lower, then the US banks pull back a little bit.
But a lot bigger concerns about that flat yield curve. They may be raising rates on the short end, but on the long end, they're not going very far, and so that yield curve is flattening. Loan growth is still kind of on the anemic side.
There we go. Bob, thanks very much. There goes the bell. The Dow, record all-time close for the first time since the 21st of September. 26780, the level there. S&P about flat. The Nasdaq down a bit. Russell down a full percent.